The next section is using what's called ranges. So in the last section we'd have definite values, something like 1, let's say 3, 7. We'd have definite values, but in this part we have intervals. Okay. So the reason why they're called intervals is because they range. So the first one is how many people watched 0 to 2 hours of TV. 5 people did. 2 hours to 6 hours. 9 people did, right? So that's what we're looking at here, okay? So 0 to 2 means 0 is included, but 2 is not. So for instance, 2 to 6 means 2 is included, but 6 isn't, okay? Now, estimate the mean time spent per week watching television. Now what we do here is we always use the middle of the range. So for example, 0 to 2, the middle number is the number 1. So we substitute 1 in there. 2 to 6, the middle is going to be 4. If you ever wonder how to get the middle, just add the first one to the just add the start to the end and divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. The next one, the middle of 16 and 12. Add 16 and 12 together, you get 18. 18 divided by 2, you get 9. 12 plus 20 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 is the middle. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Okay? Now, the next thing is estimate the mean time spent per week watching television. So, what we need to get is the total time divided by total people. So, total people is really easy to do. You just add all the number of people together, but total time is a bit more difficult. So, to get total time, and this is using the mid-interval values. Okay, these values that I changed them to here are called mid-interval values. And what you do is you start multiplying them out. 1 by 5 is 5. 4 by 9 is 36. 9 times 12 is 108. 6 times 16 is 96. 5 times 25 is 125. Okay, we bring it over and then we do the total people. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 12 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, so we get 26 plus 6 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. Okay, next thing we gotta do is add up all the red numbers together on top. I can do this by 5 plus 36 plus 108 plus 16 plus 125. 290. 290 divided by 37. And what we get here is it's 96, isn't it? Yeah. Sorry. Okay, that's a good question. So 90, we go again. Excuse me, guys. If it's right, I should just have to add on 80, shouldn't I? Did I put 16 into the calculator? Yeah. So if I put 16 into the calculator, it means if I add on extra 80, that should be my answer. But you might as well do it from scratch if you made an error, just to double check. 108 plus 96 plus 1, 2, 5. That's 1, 2, 3. Add on the 3. 370. Okay. So 370 divided by 37, the average is going to be 10 hours of TV. Okay, that's the mean. And what class interval does the median lie? There's 37 people. 37 people is an odd number. Because it's an odd number, there's a middle person. Divide 37 by 2, what do you get? I think it might be 18 and a half. 18 and a half. And 18 and a half rounds up to 19. Okay? This means it's the 19th person. What we need to do now is we need to find out where the 19th person is. The first 14 are below 6. 14 to 26 is located from 6 to 12. This means number 19 is located in this region, so the answer is the 6 to 12 region. Okay, so the median lies 6 to 12. The modal region is the most common region, which is 12 which is still 6 to 12. In this example, is the time per week discrete or continuous? Justify your answer. Okay, in this example, is the time per week discrete or continuous? Justify your answer, okay? So discrete values means that it's either 6 or you have 7. But in these ones, 6.5 gets you in the 6 to 12 region, so it's continuous data, okay? So number 3 is going to be, number 4 is going to be continuous data. Yeah, just 1 second.